Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a GitHub free account. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and of course check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner we have product, solution, resources, open source, enterprise, and pricing. And here you can go and type in, we can see let's build from here, the world's leading AI powered development platform. Now guys, what you of course need to do is go to the top right corner, and out of these two options, sign in and sign up, of course you need to go and click on the sign up option. Here, as you can see, welcome to GitHub, let's begin the adventure. You need to go and type in your email address to of course go and continue. So we can type it here. Then click continue. Just a second. Then create a password. Then enter your username, whatever your username will be, and then click continue, and your account will be verified. Here you need to go and verify your account. After you've verified your account will be created and you'll have a GitHub free account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.